dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Rivers State Governor Fubara has stated that his administration has defeated those who came all out to bring them down, adding that his distractors are now victims of their ploys. Moving on, we have Governor Fubara has warned Rivers State politicians that they will pay if they hurt anyone. But guys, before we commence fully with this news, welcome to Reality Latest GC, home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's process with the news. The Rivers State Governor Fubara has stated that his administration has defeated those who came all out to bring them down, adding that his distractors are now victims of their ploy. This was as the governor expressed happiness with assurance of broadly support from the Cessä-Y0UT Council, urging the Ijaw nation to key into the ongoing celebration of the liberation the state is enjoying now. Fubara spoke when he received the national and state leadership of the Cessä-Y0UT Council, who were on solidarity walk to Government House in Port Harcourt on Thursday to mark 2024 Isaac Dakar Borough Day. The governor noted that Major Isaac Dakar genuinely stood for equity, justice, and fair play, and he pursued his cause to ensure liberation for the Ijaw people and their clans. Fubara stressed that every genuine Rivers State man is a liberator, that he was delighted to receive them on such auspicious day to reenact the common purpose of liberation that they shared. Governor Fubara said that because he stood for that unique thing, that even after his death, that they will still celebrate him because he was a liberator, that Major Dakar was a liberator, that every River State man, it doesn't matter whether they are Ijaw or Upland, that the most important thing is that every genuine River State man must be a liberator. And he is happy that Major Isaac Dakar came here today, and he have received him because they have a common purpose to liberate their state, and they are not going back on that. The governor stated that the target of the renewed crisis in the state was to distract his 1 year in office celebration, but those behind those crises are sleeping with their eyes open. Governor Fubara said that he is happy that Isaac Dakar told them this morning that when he called on him, he will respond, but there is nothing to call on him for because he have already defeated them. That by the special grace of God, what they thought that they would have done to them while they were celebrating his 1 year in office, they are the ones sleeping with their two eyes open. That shows that they have the Ijaw blood. And what is that blood? It is the blood of action. It is the blood of less talk. It is the blood of more action. However, he has urged the Cessä-Y0UT to conduct themselves peacefully as they celebrate the Major Isaac Dakar Borough Day and also be good ambassador of the entire Ijaw nation. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions to opinions are in the comment section. They have to resolve this crisis in Rivers State because it's making the governor not to concentrate. The best thing is for him to keep governing the state. He should impose the mandate that he was elected instead of embarking on this crisis, because before 1 year he go find out say he no do anything, not just also fight. He just did so. So I think he has to focus on why the people elected him. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. Moving on to the next one, Governor of Rivers State Fubara has warned political players in the state against violence, vowing that anyone who harm another in the name of politics would pay for the crime. Fubara issued a warning during the flag-off of the construction of Moku Road in the oil-rich South State. He demolished local government chairmen in the state to conduct themselves and remain peaceful till the end of his tenure. When he left Aleso the other day, some people went there and attacked his people. That there is no need for it, that nobody has the monopoly of violence. So he should even be the one who should come and shout that they will do this, they will do that. But he don't need to do that because both sides belong to him. So he's advising those people who call themselves local government chairmen that they have a few days in office. So please, they should conduct themselves. Governor Fubara said that politics will come, politics will go. They will still live their life. So let everyone not deceive them that if they deliberately hurt anybody in the course of expressing their useless support, that nobody will forgive them and they will pay for it. So he's begging everyone that please They should conduct themselves. The governor said that he is the most abused person in the state, but he has remained calm in the face of serious provocations. So he urged everyone to remain calm and allow peace to reign in the state. As a matter of fact, he is the most abused. Now him be the mumu governor wey no dey know wetin to do with power. That is it not? That have he said anything? So please, they should just endure until when they finishes and go their way. That he don't want any trouble. He said that he will not give his distractor the opportunity to cause political tension in the states. Governor Fubara said that he has assured President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who is the leader of the country, that he will take the path of peace and not to break a promise. Honestly, the current political crisis in Rivers State is very unnecessary, unavoidable. Most times the problem is fueled by covetousness and failure of political actors to acknowledge the excess of power and political office. Someone occupied the office before you. You are the occupant now. Why another man will take over the same office tomorrow? The truth is bitter, and it must be said. There is a Yoruba popular proverb that says, if we give a ram to a masquerade, we hand it over completely with the rope on its neck. You don't give a ram to someone and still hold on to the rope around the neck of the ram. So in case of the Rivers State crisis, Cessä Wike, having completely his maximum 8 years tenure as governor, handed over to the proverbial ram to Fubara. Wike wants to continue holding on to the rope tightly from Abuja, where he is currently serving as Minister of Federal Capital Territory. So I have read some people accusing Fubara of disloyalty or ingratitude. I don't think that is the case. I strongly believe that the current crisis wouldn't have occurred if Wike had given him a free rein to pilot the affairs of Rivers State as the chief executive officer. You helped someone become governor, and you appointed all your key loyalists into his cabinet rather than to be obedient to the governor. They began to treat him with contempt, saying that they could only take order from Wike, the godfather. How many Nigeria governors will accept a situation whereby his aide floats his directive with crass impunity? Wike should do some self-introspection. Can he accept that? So Wike is making the mistake of realizing that if you use your influence to put a man in a certain position, he may not necessarily do your bidding, because humans have a mind of their own. He may try his best to improve his loyalty, but like a goat that has been pushed to the wall, he will turn back fighting. And that is what Fubara did when he declared the jungle has matured. He has also threatened to probe him how the affairs of Rivers State were managed during his tenure. So going by Fubara's words, the likelihood of a showdown is certain. Supporters of the two gladiators will likely clash, and this may lead to the destruction of properties. The House of Assembly in the state is already, factionized, with the majority of lawmakers pledging their support to Wike, while 4 are on the side of Fubara. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has played the role of a statesman and has acted as the father of the nation by intervening in the Rivers State crisis. So he should take a step further by calling Wike to order and instructing him to face his job as the Minister of Federal Capital Territory. He should also ensure that taxpayer money belonging to the federal government is not deployed by Wike to fight the battle in Rivers State. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to with us. Really do appreciate it.